Damn, that ain't the best way to start a day. Jeesh. Hopefully they good. Yeah, that car looked like the whole front end was just gone. Hopefully they good though, man. Shout out to whoever family that is. Hopefully they good, man. They came out of the accident pretty with no injuries or anything like that. But anyway, man, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title. But that's what this video is gonna be about today. So as y'all know, obviously I'm a big Mopar lover, man. That's my main brand. But obviously I got a lot of love for other brands as well. So what I want to bring to y'all today is this the new Acura Tlx Type S is coming out sometime before the end of the year. I know for a fact that they're announcing this actual vehicle come the 28th of this month. So a couple more days, probably like what, 6 more days before they announce that. Not even, maybe 5. But they threw up a little teaser clip, right, of how the exhaust note sound when you start it up, and they gave us a little baby rev. But so it sounds pretty good for a V6, but we don't know no other details until they announce it on the 28th. I just wanted to keep y'all in the loop of what's going on with the new whip. We know for a fact that they're gonna announce it on the 28th of this month, so look out for that. I definitely probably be watching this because I love all cars, man. I love anything, all cars, anything cars, man. So this one in particular is the one I'm most interested in is the V6 model. I think it was like a 290 horsepower. To me, that's still kind of low. We in 2020, we need more than 290 horsepower for sure, but who knows if they got more models coming out, if that's just the mid trim. They might have something they're gonna surprise us on. But I mean, for all y'all know that this is my start of my channel with my Chrysler 200, and my Chrysler 200 came with 295 horsepower, and that was back in 2015. So I don't know, man. 2020, you got a lot of companies got to come harder. I feel like 300, maybe even 350 horsepower should be the minimum now. Like, it's 2020. 350 minimum on a performance vehicle, minimum. Gotta be. There's no way you can still do 240, 260, 270. Like, nah, you gotta be at least 310 horsepower or more. It's 2020, y'all. Like, we need more horsepower, man. Especially in these V6s. Y'all could do a lot more with the V6s because y'all could strap on turbos and all of that. Should be at least 350 horsepower, man. But anyway, I'm still excited for the car because it looks good. But we'll see what happens because it's a crazy little concept design. I don't know if they're gonna release it the way it looks, because it looked like some futuristic type car. It looked nice too. So when they release it, when they announce it, I guess we'll get some more updates on it. I'm probably gonna watch it. I'm probably not gonna watch it live. I'll probably watch the video after it get announced, because I'll probably most likely be at work or something. So, but let me know what y'all think about the new Acura Tlx Type S. If y'all excited for it, if y'all waiting on it. I know a lot of people gonna be modding it real soon, just like any other, just like the Supra, or just like any other car. So leave a comment below, man. Let me know what y'all think about this new Acura that's gonna get announced. If y'all waiting on it, let me know. I'm excited to see it. I want to see it in that blue, black, white, and hopefully they got some carbon fiber pieces you can add on as a trim, as a package or something to make it look a little better. But as of right now, it looks good. So we're gonna find out when they actually announce it. But y'all have a good rest of your day, man. Stay safe. If y'all in New York, man, yo, listen, please put on the mask, man. Stay in the house as much as possible because people getting sick again. So, but I ain't gonna go on a long rant about that. I know people getting tired and annoying. I know it's hard to stay in the crib anyway, but if you could, do it, man, because I'm telling you, it'll save your life, at least for now. But that's it, man. Y'all have a good rest of your day, man. I'm out. Peace, y'all.